So under the genus Ancylostoma, there are some important species that are responsible for causing a disease called Ancylostomiasis or hookworm infection in dog, cat, even in human. So the most commonly occurring species in dog, fox, different other carnivores is Ancylostoma caninum. And there are two more important species that also causes Ancylostomiasis in cat and different other canids. They are Ancylostoma tubiforme and Ancylostoma brasiliensis. Just for your information, for human, there are two important species. They are Ancylostoma duodenale and another one is Necator americanus. So all these parasites will be found in the small intestine of the final host, and these parasites are distributed in tropical and subtropical regions of the world.